Well, I got problems with the 68. Spark plug is out, and nothing. Can't turn her over. We've I was able to move her a tiny bit that way. She does still turn very slowly. Got a funny feeling there's some crap in there that's come down out of this manky bloody carburetor. As you might be able to see in there, it's pretty oily, and there's some sort of bits in there, and well, they've obviously gone down the side of the piston and stuck the piston. So I just tried a head bolt. They're pretty hard to get out, so I'm gonna have to wait until my dad comes back. It's gonna be a two-person job to try and get this head off, but hopefully I can get her turning again. And then I just gotta see about the timing, whatever the bloody hell's going on again, who knows. But yeah, I can't turn her over now, so I'm definitely having problems with this. But it's not seized, it's just crap in the blooming on the cylinder wall. I don't want to try and turn it over because I'll score the piston wall and piston and ruin the rings, so I don't want to try and turn it over. I'm going to whip the head off, clean around it, and then just try and spray some stuff down there and just try and move it a little bit and clean the crap off again, and move it a bit and clean the crap off again until it's completely gone and it'll turn over freely again. So that must be the problem that I'm having at the moment with turning it over. Yesterday it was out in the sun, so I don't know, must have expanded a little bit, gave me a little bit of extra room, so that crack wasn't rubbing against any. Hopefully I haven't done any damage. Shouldn't have thought so. But yep, there you go. So no excuses now. The head's got to come off. And another thing, now that this has happened, some of that may have passed through the piston and gone into the oil, so it's going to have an oil change as well. It's going to have to be completely drained. It's pretty black anyway, so it's going to need a bit of work, this engine. Let's get it going again. This will be the first one I actually take apart with intention of getting going again. The only motor engine I've actually ever taken apart was the old one, the blown Briggs. So that's the only engine I've actually ever taken apart, but obviously not taken apart to put back together. But yeah, that's my problem for the rest of the week. Oh well, I'll see if I can fix it. I'll keep you posted.